Hello everybody, last time I showed you when I unboxed coffee grinder, Cuisinart. Today I just bought a bag of coffee yesterday, and today I will show you how I brand the coffee bean for you to see. Thing I have never done with this before. I usually do with my another coffee router, a coffee grinder, the big one. But I have never tried on this one. Let's see. Here this is inside and the bottom, and the cap in the bag of coffee bean I just bought yesterday. For a little bit about this coffee, I usually about the Sumatra. Sometimes I buy usually I buy the Sumatra. Sometimes I buy French, depending on when the store got promotion. If I buy the wholesale store, they only have French coffee, so I buy them. Sometimes they give a promotion there, but for Sumatra's coffee, only in the retail store have it. So if they get a promotion, I buy it. I usually rotate coffee to try different type coffee when they have promotion, and then I'll find the good one for me. Look at the bin here. Yeah. I think you can advance it just okay. So you have to press here. So you have to hold like this. I think that's a good. Yeah, it's kind of too fine. It's kind of so it's a finance. I think that's a good. And usually you have to. How about this one? Anyway, it's that's how you use this machine. I think they have the spoon, I think so, but I don't have it with me right now, so I use this. Okay, it's wow, it just smells very good. Let me fill a little up. So if you want fresh, everyday coffee, fresh coffee, and you just keep the machine and then you add the bean in, and then you make enough for the how you know how many you want, and then you don't have to do and then put in the jar like me right now. Okay, here, try again. This time I feel a little bit a lot more. You want to see flowers that you see? Okay, I think this is good. Haha, done. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next video. Next video I will use this machine to make lemongrass brown, you know, make to chop the lemongrass. Let's see. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.